Hello guys, today we are going to learn about voltage and current source. Then first question is arises, what is voltage and current sources? Primary part of electrical circuit that supply a constant voltage or constant current are called voltage and current source. In another word, a voltage source maintain a constant voltage while a current source provides a constant current, both serving as essential element in electrical and electronic system to power devices and facilitate the flow of electricity in the circuits. Let's see, what is a voltage source? A voltage source is a part or device in an electrical circuit that independent of the load attached to it or the current flowing through it maintain a particular and constant voltage differential across its terminal. Or you can say that a voltage source is an electronic component or device that generate a specific voltage difference between its terminal, providing a constant potential or for electrons to flow in a circuit. It maintains a constant voltage output regardless of the current passing through it or the load connected to it. Example include batteries, generator, and power supplies. And symbol of AC voltage is with this waveform, and DC voltage is plus and minus sign. And next is, what is a current source? Current source is an electrical part in a circuit that produce a steady, defines flow of current independent of the voltage across its terminal or the load attached to it. The symbol of current is this is the AC current and this is the DC. And in another word, you can say a current is a electric or electronic device that provide a constant electric current to a circuit regardless of the load, resistance or change in the circuit. It maintains a steady flow of electrons analogous to a voltage source that provides a constant voltage. Current sources are used in a various applications such as in a electronics, signal processing and power supply circuit where a stable and predictable current is required.